Today we're looking at Pennant Park Floating Rate Capital, PFLT, in our quest or search for good, secure, high-paying dividend stocks that we can use as passive income. And as I've said, I've found this company after much research, and I'll now run through my thinking behind the company and why I'll consider making a purchase. Pennant Park Floating Rate Capital Limited, a business development company which primarily invests in US mid-market private firms in the form of floating rate senior secured loans. On my research, I've come up with today's price is $11.06. As I said, I found this stock in my quest for a good dividend paying share or stock that will increase my passive income. The dividend is 9.6%. That's correct, 9.6%. The 52-week range in price varies from $9.43 to $14.38. And as I said, we're now sitting on 11.06, so that's midway. The upside or the predicted increase in the value of the stock price is predicted to be 1.2%, which isn't a great amount, but that's going in the right direction. The price to earning ratio is 123, so effectively to buy the value of the stock that you're buying, you'd have to have 123 years worth of income to cover the cost of each stock. That's well over 20, which I like to stick to, but other things considered, I think we'll just put a cross beside that but move on. The price to book ratio is 0.99. Anything below 3 indicates that the company is good value for money or undervalued. So, or the actual stock is undervalued. You're buying it for less than it's worth, so you'd class this as a value stock. So based on this information, price to book ratio of 0.99, nice dividend of 9.6%. I've looked on other websites at the news, and there's been a good write-up on Seeking Alpha. They put forward a good case, given a reason why to buy. So all in all, things are looking promising. I'm using my Trading 212 app or platform. This stock is traded on the US Stock Exchange. Today UK time is 5 to 8 p.m. The UK markets have shut, but the US market is open. There's another 1 hour 4 minutes before that closes, so we've got time to make the investment real time. The 1 day price movement is down, 1 week is down, that's 1 month, sorry, 1 week is down, 1 month is down, 3 months is up, 1 year down, and maximum, well, that's sort of down a bit as well. So we're going to buy some shares in this company. As I say, I'm using the Trading 212 app, Pennant Park Floating Rate Capital Limited, and I'm going to go to buy. and I'm going to buy the value worth of stock. I'm going to start with £100, which, so in theory that pays just under 10% per annum. So my £100 invested will give me a £10 passive income. If we go to done, then that equates to 11.006 shares. So we go to done, review order, and it says order type is market buy, so we're going to buy at the market price, and that's the share value, number of shares, no commission, £100. So send buy order, and we look pending orders, buying at the market rate, buy. So this will be bought once the market's open. So that's going out to the market and seeing if they can buy, if there's a market maker out there, and I'll get notification that the stock has been purchased. So we've made the purchase in Pennant Park, and my investment is up 22p or 0.22% since I made that investment a couple of minutes ago. So we'll sit tight and wait for the dividends to come in. Till next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.